Here at the river parks of New River Gorge National Park and Preserve, Gauley River National Recreation Area, and Bluestone National Scenic River, they are prized for their natural biodiversity. Hi, I'm Anna with the Eastern Rivers and Mountains Network.
And I'm Katie with the Free West Virginia River Parks. At the National Park Service, we work to document all of the plants, animals, and fungi and insects that occur in our parks so that we can make informed decisions and plans to preserve and conserve them. However, these river parks are big and spread out, and there are always going to be occurrences of rare, threatened, invasive, or even new species that we don't know occur here yet that we would want to document.
That's where you come in. iNaturalist is a social network phone app that allows naturalists and citizen scientists to map and share observations of species they find at specific time and place. What's really cool is that species you encounter can be uploaded to an interactive map that covers the entire world, and you can also use that map to see what species are in your localized area. Using iNaturalist will help you sharpen your identification skills for all kinds of insects, plants, and animals. And the species occurrences you upload to the app will be used to help others develop their skills too.
With the information you share on the app, scientists at the National Park Service can know the specific location and timing of various species of interest to us. For example, if you find an occurrence of an Allegheny wood rat, which is a threatened species within the New River Gorge, we can go to that location to do surveys to better understand the populations present and determine what we could do to make sure they remain protected.
So let's go over a brief tutorial on how to use the iNaturalist app to make species observation. After signing up for an account with your email, take a few pictures of the species you want to record. Make sure to try to get a few different angles to help with identification. When you are ready to post your observation, choose the plus symbol or camera symbol depending on what type of phone you have. Next, select Choose Image and tap on the pictures you want to use. After making sure your date and location data are accurate, tap on What Did You See and select the species or genus that you think matches your observation. For more information on how to make an observation, visit inaturalist.org.
One of the goals we hope to accomplish through citizen scientists like you using the iNaturalist app is for the early detection of invasive species. An invasive species is one that can have a negative impact on the larger ecosystem. They are usually not native to the ecosystem, and without natural predators or competitors, can spread rapidly through the landscape unchecked, which will negatively impact biodiversity for hundreds of native species. By detecting invasive species when they first arrive, we can work to control or eradicate them before they get outside of our control. By using the iNaturalist app to document invasive species when you see them in the parks, you are helping us work to protect our parks.
Stay tuned for our next video where we're going to go over on how to identify some of our most unwanted invasive species in these national parks that we'd like you to look out for.